One-stop solution for HVAC industry. SAMYOU. Redefine environmental comfort. SAMYOU has anchored itself in technology since established in 2016, building a full-spectrum capability from design and R&D to manufacturing. SAMYOU has two core businesses. Our HVAC environmental appliances focus on dehumidifiers, air conditioners, heat pumps, ventilation systems, and customized systems, offering end-to-end R&D and manufacturing support across both residential and commercial applications, meeting diverse environmental needs. Our independently developed inverter drives and control systems provide safe, stable, and energy-efficient solutions for global HVAC and energy storage companies. All products can be remotely managed via IoT Smart Platform. SAMYOU is among a select few global air conditioning manufacturers with laboratory accreditations granted by CNIS, SGS, and Intertech. We have a comprehensive R&D and quality management system for HVAC. An expert team with over 20 years of experience, upgraded automated production lines, greatly enhancing efficiency and operational stability, ensuring consistently reliable delivery quality. SAMYOU's partners and products are present worldwide. We understand the needs of different markets. We value the trust of every partner and every user. SAMYOU, one-stop solution for HVAC industry.